1. Hook 1 to build cloud systems that work? Understanding how to think like a cloud architect is critical. In the next few minutes, I'll share a practical framework and real-world insights to help you design efficient, scalable cloud solutions. The problem isn't just technical, it's a mindset. As a cloud architect, you must think about your business goals, user needs, and technical constraints. 3. The simple explanation: thinking like a cloud architect means taking a holistic approach. You need to consider, can your solution grow with demand? Are you spending wisely on cloud resources? Will your system be available when users need it? Are you protecting user data effectively? These principles guide your decisions from the beginning. Instead of just picking services, you'll weigh how each choice impacts your overall architecture. 4. Real-world example: let's imagine a startup called FitTrack. They built a fitness tracking app that gained rapid popularity. Initially, they used a single server on AWS. It cost them about $50 a month. But as users grew from 1,000 to 50,000 in just 3 months, their server couldn't handle the load. The app crashed, leading to a loss of users and negative reviews. After the outage, the founders realized they needed a cloud architecture that could scale quickly. They opted for a microservices architecture on AWS, using services like EC2 and RDS. They set up auto-scaling groups, which automatically added or removed servers based on user demand. This reduced their downtime to nearly zero during peak hours and allowed them to manage costs effectively, averaging $300 a month instead of facing steep overages. The key takeaway? The right architecture can save your startup from costly mistakes and build a loyal user base. 5. What to do instead? Here's a step-by-step framework for thinking like a cloud architect. Define your business goals. What problem are you solving? Who are your users? What are your growth targets? Identify key requirements. Estimate your user growth. If you expect a 200% increase, design for that. Determine acceptable response times. Aim for under 200 milliseconds for web apps. Choose the right services. For compute, consider EC2 for flexibility or Lambda for serverless. For storage, think about S3 for unstructured data and RDS for relational databases. Design for failure, implement redundancy. Use multiple availability zones. Plan for backups. Automate backups for critical data. Monitor and optimize. Use tools like CloudWatch for real-time monitoring. Set up alerts for unusual spikes in usage or costs. Review and iterate. After deploying, gather user feedback. Regularly revisit your architecture to ensure it still meets your needs. 6. Common mistakes ignoring scalability. Start with a scalable architecture, even if you don't need it right away. Opt for services like auto-scaling groups to manage growth. Over-architecting. Keep it simple. Don't add complexity unless necessary. Start small, then scale features based on user feedback. Neglecting cost management. Use cost management tools. Set budgets in AWS and review your spending monthly to stay on track. Not planning for security. Implement security best practices from day one. Use IAM roles for access control, and encrypt sensitive data. Failing to document. Keep your architecture documented. Use diagrams to visualize your setup. This helps onboarding new team members and troubleshooting. 7. Quick checklist before launching your cloud solution. Run through this checklist. Have you defined your business goals and user needs? Is your architecture scalable and cost-effective? Are you monitoring performance and costs? Have you planned for redundancy and security? Is your architecture documented for future reference? 8. Summary plus CTA. Thinking like a cloud architect means focusing on scalability, cost, reliability, and security from day one. By following a structured framework, you can avoid common pitfalls and design efficient cloud solutions. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on cloud engineering. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.